Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR Pro Series adjustable rear camera extension. This camera extension fits the 2020 Plus Polaris RZR Pro Series, all models. Install time is under 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Before we start, if you have a DRT or aftermarket rear bumper, you will need to remove it before you proceed with this install. Let's start by removing the factory T40 Torx bolts, shown here, as set them aside. The plastic bodywork needs to be flexible to get behind. Next, pull out slightly on the bodywork. To get your hand behind it, pinch the camera clips, and push outward on the rear camera to remove it. Now, find the white plug, disconnect it, and pull the camera and wire through the opening. Here is a close-up of the camera, and the clips that hold it in place. Next, grab the DRT adjustable billet camera mount, hold it up in place, with the angled sides pointing downward. Then, adjust it in the space, as you see here, making sure it's centered and level. Now, use a Sharpie, or marking instrument, and mark the mounting holes. Next, using a 3/16 inch drill bit, drill out the mounting holes, as shown here. Now, this part is a little tricky, as there isn't a lot of room behind the bodywork. Grab the backing hardware in the one hand, slide it behind the plastic, grab an Allen bolt, insert it into the camera mount, and install the mount in place. Then, thread on the backing nut, as you can see here. Next, with the one side in place, do the same to the other side. Then, using the supplied Allen wrench, and a 7mm wrench or socket, on the backing nut, tighten down these two bolts. This process may take a little time, so be patient. Now, grab your camera, hold it up to the mount, making sure the blue dot is at the top. This is the only way the camera can go in, as the mount has a slotted keyway. Insert the plug and wire through the mount, and pull it through from the back side. Then, snap it into place, as you see here. Next, connect the camera plug back together, and tuck the wires back in. Now, reinstall the factory T40 Torx bolts, and any bumper you may have taken off, and you just have to make camera adjustments. Lastly, using a friend, put the car in reverse to see the camera rear view, and make adjustments up and down as needed for optimal viewing. Then, using the supplied Allen wrench, tighten the Allen bolts on each side of the mount to set the angle. You are now ready for your next ride. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro Series adjustable rear camera extension install. The Pro Series adjustable rear camera extension lets you get the most out of the Ride Command rear camera. This rear camera extension lets you move the camera further out, back, to reduce the halo effect, and widens the area substantially over the stock location. The adjustability of the camera angle allows you to dial in your preferred field of vision. The extension also helps when an aftermarket bumper is used. The camera extension has a simple installation as your camera snaps into the billet housing. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.